You only cook pasta, pasta, pasta all the time, pasta every day. I'm sick of pasta. Why do you always cook pasta? How dare you? I am the pasta queen overall. I am the pasta queen after all. However, did you know? Did you? That I have a new cookbook about Mediterranean cooking, the art of Italian cooking, Southern Italian inspired with the feistiness of the Italian nonnas, the ones that run after you with the wooden spoon. I can tell you this, my nonna would be proud of this amazing base of tomatoes with green beans and egg. Mother ball. I mean, imagine the green beans bathing in this tomato sauce, and then over there, on the other side of the screen, there's you moaning about always having pasta. How about you have some pasta? Maybe your life will be better. Now, okay, let's be honest and frank with one another. I am a little obsessed about pasta, but that's because my family comes from pasta making. I gotta keep on the legacy. No! In the Mediterranean culture and the territory, the gorgeous Italian peninsula, we eat all sorts of vegetables and legumes and fruits and greens and wine. Maybe too much. And this is a Pasta Queen service announcement!